Why you guys always say like it's like the sample that they give out. Most of the time it looks like this. Okay? Not so much that, but this one. Okay, so this one is similar, but what they ask is different, right? They tell you also sine x is whatever, 1/3 or whatever number. Find all possible. This time they want what? Angle. So you do need to arc sine it at one point of a time. Okay? So now, first thing first, what do you need to do? From that experience, you should know already. Draw. How can I draw? Yes, quadrant. Look, this one is positive. So therefore, this must be what quadrant? One or quadrant 2. So by the look at it, you should know you should have 2 possible answers. Why? Because they really tell you it could be anything, anywhere between 0 to 360. But if I modify the question to 0 to 180, is quadrant 4? Is quadrant? Oh no, the 90. Is quadrant 2 possible? No, then only one answer. So you need to take a look at that. Are you okay? 10? Now, let's do case number 1, which is quadrant 1. So what do you need to do, Ken?
Just kidding.
Draw. Okay.
Draw.
First quadrant is here, right? Therefore, I identify what? Yeah, we can do that. Or do I want ratio right now?
No.
I don't really need ratio. I can just assign it to get the angle. Yeah. Now take a look. Hey. It's either case 1 or case 2. Let me draw case 2 first, which is quadrant 2. Quadrant 2, if we draw sorry? Yeah, you will know what later. Hey, now sine x. So first of all, I need to find my alpha first. So let's say sine alpha is equals to 1/3. You know why I use alpha instead of x?
Sounds cooler.
It's the angle.
It's the reference angle, because if I know reference angle, can I predict what's this? Let's say even though maybe quadrant 3, can I predict what's that? Yeah, because I know my alpha. So alpha is always what we have to go first. Now, however, what if I change the question into negative? Do I still do this? No, because alpha, your reference angle is always acute, right? Has it ever been negative? No. So you no matter what, you always have to assign the positive one. No matter what, even though the question is positive or negative. Yeah? Now, somebody assign for me, what do you get? With calculator? Teacher is press calculator, not punch calculator. Oh my god.
19.5.
Huh?
19.5.
Not read this.
19.5.
19.5.
You want to start something now?
Hey, now, one decimal place, huh? Now, why I want this? Because I'm not interested in alpha. I'm not interested in reference angle. I'm interested in actual angle. Okay?
I don't care.
So now, actual angle is always read from here. So now, is my theta is the same as alpha? Yeah. So here, the answer is 19.5. What about here though? If my alpha here is 19.5, tell me what is the actual angle here?
160.5.
19.5, which is
160.5.
160.5. So this is the 2 answer that they want. So the answer is x must be 19.5 degree or 160.5 degree. Are you okay? So far okay? Now if you don't believe, you can take your calculator, you type sine 19.5. You're gonna get 0.33 something. Of course it's not gonna be so accurate because
0.33.
yeah, because we round off. Here also sine 160.5. You're gonna get that as well.
Oh, really?
Are you okay? Understand? Take this example, then the next case, not the next case, the next question, I'm gonna give you the negative sign and see whether you can do it. You can? Yeah. awesome.
Bye.